It was a day full of surprises and celebrations at the office, something that we all needed to break the monotony of our routine, from taking photos to playing games and indulge in some delicious treats. The day was filled with laughter and joy, but the real highlight was yet to come. We could not wait to kick off the festivities and leave behind the stress of work. We also treated some mouth-watering chinnapodu and pan. Then the games began with everyone giving their best shot to win exciting prizes. And guess what? I ended up winning the third prize, much to my one surprise. Then, feeling the need for some fresh air, we decided to step outside and make the most of the beautiful weather. Our plan to pluck some ripe guavas from the trees nearby. But the saddest part is we could not, but we tried, and we engaged in some light-hearted musty. Laughter echoed through the air as we enjoyed each other's company. We captured some candid photos to remember the day. In the end, it was a day filled with joy, laughter, and a sense of togetherness that made it truly special. It goes to show that sometimes all you need is a break from the mundane to create memories that last a lifetime. So, why not? Take some time out of your busy schedule to celebrate life's little moments and create unforgettable experience with your loved ones. Thank you for watching my videos. Stay tuned.